Hi guys, this is CJ Suriel, and today I'm going to have my lip blush tattoo, which is a semi-permanent makeup. And I'm here with Elena, who is a specialist cosmetic tattooist. So here she applied some numbing cream, and then we waited right 10 to 20 minutes before the procedure. And then she draws an outline, so that's gonna be the guide. After outlining the lips, she started tattooing. Elena gave me a couple of numbing cream all throughout the procedure since I had a lot of discomfort, especially on my upper lip. Takes like a couple of hours to finish the whole procedure, and the color will last like 2 to 3 years, but touch-up is really recommended to maintain the color.
Keep them moist always. Don't makeup run your lips and eyes and eyeliner for 10 days. Any sunscreen, any moisturizer, don't put anything. And about your lips, you shouldn't brush your teeth tonight. You can brush tomorrow, but put enough alcohol for that water doesn't touch your lips. If there's any scab, please don't take them off. Okay? For first 2 days, they all gonna be dark and fake. Mostly your eyebrows, you know already. Like after that, gonna get lighter and lighter.
Okay, great. So this is the second week post lip blushing tattoo procedure. I love the outcome. It looks really natural. I'm going to have my touch up in 6 weeks time. So I hope to see you all soon. Bye!